When you're ready to purchase or lease a vehicle, Sunnyside Toyota is your best bet for price, convenience, and quality service. Here's why. We have one of the area's largest inventories, featuring over 500 new and used cars, trucks, and SUVs in a wide variety of price ranges to fit every budget. The showroom at Sunnyside Toyota is conveniently located near the Great Northern Mall in North Olmsted and is open 7 days a week with extended hours for your convenience. We've won multiple Toyota President's Awards for customer satisfaction and excellence in operations because we care. We care about the community and are active with many charitable organizations, including the Achievement Centers for Children, the Northern Ohio Hemophilia Foundation, and the Pediatric Brain Tumor Foundation. Our used cars are thoroughly inspected and detailed, and vehicles that are 9 years old and newer with under 125,000 miles include a 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty. We feature a large inventory of Toyota certified vehicles with warranties up to 7 years or 100,000 miles and 1 year of roadside assistance. Our online scheduling is simple and easy to use. We also have dedicated service coordinators to schedule your service. Every paid service includes a complimentary alignment check, multi-point inspection, and car wash. In addition, all repairs are backed by a 1-year warranty. We have many amenities including free Wi-Fi, cable TV, a Keurig coffee bar, study carrels, a kids' playroom, plus a dedicated game room with a PlayStation 3. Our comfortable guest lounge makes your stay much more pleasant if you choose to wait for service. We offer a local area shuttle service or choose from 50 on-site Toyota rentals if you can't stay with your vehicle. Our collision repair center offers free estimates, direct repair arrangements with most major insurers, and lifetime warranties on paint repairs. Our on-site detail center offers a complete menu of services, from a basic wash and wax to a full detail. Our parts department is everything you need to start your do-it-yourself project, and we carry a wide range of accessories for your vehicle. But the best reason to buy from Sunnyside Toyota? Over 120 dedicated employees with a focus and a commitment to your satisfaction. Come visit us at 27,000 Lorraine Road in North Olmsted, just a quarter mile west of the Great Northern Mall, or shop online at sunnysidetoyota.com.